You probably haven't been using your Instagram right?
Earl on the beat.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, it's Amazon Ibia. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you clicked right away, if you're a subscriber, thank you for coming back, and also thank you for subscribing, and of course keeping your notification on all the time to get notified when I have new videos. Today's video is going to be quick. Okay, you've already seen from the thumbnail and the title. We're just going to talk about a couple of Instagram hacks and secrets for 2020. The things that you can do with your Instagram app that you literally had no idea about. Okay, yeah. So some of the things we're going to talk about today are things that are easily applicable. I'll also try to, make a pop-up of my phone screen so you guys get to see the process and everything. But if you're new, please subscribe, give this video a huge thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section below, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so when I come up with a new video, you'll be the first person to know about it. Now let's dive into today's video. Now, the first thing I'd like you to know that your Instagram handle rather can do without, or maybe you didn't know about it, was actually restricting your tagged content. Most times you come on Instagram and somebody's tagging you to a post, tag. Now, if I come to your Instagram feed, I can actually get to see your feed, get to see your IGTV, videos, and then get to see your tagged content. So if you don't want people to tag you to contents that have literally nothing to do with your brand, you might want to activate that option of ensuring that you have to permit or allow a certain content before it actually shows up. I'll just do a pop-up on the screen. Okay, so I'll show you guys how that works later on when I'm editing this video. And that is one thing you can do. It also helps, especially if you're trying to build a special brand for a different set of audience, and you don't just want to be tagged to some money scam scheme and all of that, because it happened a lot with me before I discovered that. So I had to kick that out of the way, and now I'm good. Okay, all right. The next thing is that you can actually allow Instagram suggest your profile to others. Now what that would do for you is that, have you seen where you follow Beyonce and then the next thing you see a pop-up of Rihanna, Nicki Minaj, and the rest of them? That's what happens. That's it. So you can actually allow Instagram to suggest your profile to people who have contents that are similar to your content, or people who have contents within the same niche as you. That way you're able to reach a wider audience. Okay, and Instagram just tells somebody, just because you follow Naturally Nelly means you can actually follow Naturally Mary. Do you understand? But that can only be done on the web version of your Instagram page, not on your phone. So you need a desktop or the desktop version of your Chrome to get that done. All right, good. The next thing is that IGTV has created an amazing platform that allows you group your videos into series. I have several series. I have series on Christmas vlog, I have series on head wrap content, I have my normal rant series, I have series on lifestyle, I have series on skincare. They're just there. If you go to my Instagram IGTV page, you're going to see that all my contents there are grouped into series, from natural hair care to skincare to head wrap videos to hairstyling videos and the rest of them. My rants, everything is just grouped into different series. So if you click a series, you're able to see different IGTV videos under a particular series. So it just makes everything so organized. Okay, yeah. And if you don't also want a preview of your IGTV to pop up on your feed, you can actually just restrict that or cancel it. So if I come to your feed, I'm just saying just your pictures, okay, or maybe videos you allow. And if I go to IGTV, I'm seeing all the IGTV, especially including the ones that you didn't allow on your normal feed. Another nice thing that I discovered recently after I updated my Instagram was that you can actually save your live video to your gallery. Guys, that was like, it was such an amazing feature for me when I popped up and I tried to do a live video, and then after a while I noticed that I could actually save it to my gallery, for reference purposes. Maybe you did something that was so nice and amazing, or you had this amazing time on your live session and you want to share it some other time with people on your contents on your normal feed. You want to edit it and put it together. Guys, you can do that actually, but you need to make sure that your app is actually updated for you to be able to save your live video to your phone gallery or your iPad gallery, whichever one you're using. Okay, so that's a plus. All right, so the next thing we're going to talk about is actually customizing your interactions. Now, This too would have to ensure that your app is updated, because nowadays or currently Instagram allows you customize everyone following you and everyone you're following, so you can get to see the people you've least interacted with in the last 30 days and the people you've most interacted with in the last 30 days. Okay, people whose content you've liked and shared and engaged with and all of that. You get to see them grouped into a certain category, and the ones you've not been able to interact with that much is also grouped into another category. Okay, yeah, that makes a lot of sense, guys, because you're able to just see the people that, oh, you guys don't talk that much. Is this one select? Is this thing, is the page dormant now? Are they, posting or not? And all of that. Now that brings me, the customizing brings me to the next point, which is removing your followers yourself. Let's not even talk about this, because that is bomb, especially if you have loads and loads of fake pages following you, ghost pages. These things happen once in a while. You have fake people follow you on Instagram, people who don't like your content, they don't share your content, they don't engage with your content, they're just there. Okay, if you don't want them anymore, you don't have to stress yourself wishing that they could unfollow you. You can actually just remove them. All you have to do is, I'll pop it up here on the screen, go to your followers count, click on the follower you don't want, and then you see there, remove. Tap remove, 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 and they're out of the way. Okay, so that allows you, especially if you want to create content for a certain kind of audience and what you have existing and not the audience you want to work with, you can easily just remove all of them and start afresh. How else? Life is so easy, guys. It is. Knowledge is power. Now, this is something I noticed, that I actually got this hack from the Digital Thinker, right? All the bloggers advocate, one of those pages on Instagram. You can actually leave a comment without leaving a comment. Now, it's a lot easier with iPhones. Okay, if you're using an iPhone, it allows you to leave a comment without leaving a comment. So sometimes you go to people's pages and you're seeing comments where there are no comments, but somebody commented, but you didn't see the comments, you didn't see as much as a full stop, but then that person has commented. It kind of like creates curiosity, and it's another way to build engagement to your page and page visits, because how did this guy do this? Who is this dropping a comment without actually dropping a comment? So it allows people just to a 0.1% brings page profile visits to your page. With Android as well, you can also do that, but it's a little bit technical, or a bit a tad difficult with Android phones. But with iPhone, it's easy peasy. Very, very easy. Don't say I didn't tell you. It was very easy. Okay? All right. So literally, I've talked to you about over 8 things that you can do with your Instagram to help, create the kind of page you want, customize your feed, and then attract the right audience for the contents that you create. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll see you next time in my next video. It's Amazon. Bye.